What you're about to see is not just another AI tool. If you ignore this, you might miss one of the fastest growing opportunities happening right now. Because just 2 years ago, this didn't exist. Today, it's already a multi-billion-dollar industry, surpassing $4.7 billion, growing at over 38% every year, on track to hit $37 billion and beyond. Now think about what that really means. A new generation of digital empires is being built right now, and they're all powered by one thing: vibe coding. Where you didn't write a single line of code, you didn't design anything, you don't deal with complexity. You simply tell the system what you want using a prompt, voice command, or even a simple keyword, and AI builds it. A website, an app, a funnel, even a full SaaS platform, instantly. No coding, no developers, no delays. And right now, millions of people all over the world are rushing into this, using platforms like Claude, Lovable, Bolt, Replit, to build in minutes what used to take weeks. But here's the part almost nobody sees. Every single one of those users is paying monthly. Subscription stacking, day after day, month after month, all flowing in one direction, to the platform owners. And that's exactly why big companies are moving fast, because they understand something simple. The real money isn't in using AI, it's in owning the platform people depend on. And right now, vibe coding is the next wave. There's a problem. If you want to build a platform like this yourself, you'd need developers, infrastructure, advanced AI integrations, months, sometimes years of work, and tens of thousands of dollars. Which is why most people stay stuck here, using tools, paying monthly, building on systems they don't control. But what if you didn't have to do any of that? What if, in less than a minute, you could flip the script completely and launch your own AI platform with your own dashboard, domain, and users? And every time someone logs in, creates something, or subscribes, they're paying you. That's exactly why we built vibeai, the world's first platform that lets you launch your own Claude-Style vibe coding empire in under 60 seconds and charge users monthly. Your own version of Claude, Lovable, Bolt, Replit, but fully branded under your name, your control, your system. Here's how it works. You deploy your platform, brand it with your name, logo, and domain, set your pricing, and in under 60 seconds, you're live. Your users come in. They don't code, they don't design. They simply tell your platform what they want. Type it, say it, or enter a simple keyword like build a modern e-commerce store, create a high-converting landing page, build a modern online learning platform like Udemy or Coursera. And in seconds, it's done. Websites appear, apps take shape, funnels build themselves, all inside your platform. And every user who joins becomes recurring revenue, monthly, yearly, scalable. This isn't freelancing. This isn't chasing clients. This is building a system that pays you again and again and again. Right now, most people are still trying to catch up, learning skills, looking for clients, trying to figure things out. But a small group, they've already seen it. They're not using platforms anymore. They're owning them. So now the question's simple. A few weeks or months from now, where do you want to be? Still paying for tools? Still building on someone else's system? Or running your own platform with your own users and your own recurring income? Because right now, you can get started in less than 60 seconds. Launch your own Claude-Style vibe coding platform and step into the side of the market that gets paid. No tech skills, no team, no server cost, no complexity. Just one decision. And to make this decision easy, you're protected by a full 30-day guarantee. Take your time, explore it, see how it fits your goals. If it doesn't, you can request a refund, which means there's no real risk in trying this. But there is a real risk in watching this shift happen while you stay on the sidelines. Because in this new era, the people who win don't use platforms, they own them. Click below and get started now. We'll see you inside.